today I'll be showing you guys how I made my family this Escovitch fish meal. Okay, so if you're new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a video. So I made Escovitch fish for the family. It's one of my favorite meals that my mom showed me how to make. And we have some air fried potatoes here with pickled onions, carrots, Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seed, and vinegar. My mom made she made some pickled string beans and some cucumber, which we just call pickles, right? So she put vinegar, Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seeds, and salt in these. It's very good, very spicy. So be mindful with your Scotch bonnet pepper, y'all. Be mindful, okay? And I'm gonna just go over the recipe for you guys and how I made this food. So you can just tune in to see the recipe, and then I'll have Lexi come down just so she can try it and let you guys know what she thinks. So I bought these red whole tilapia frozen fish from ShopRite. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to score the fish, and then I'm going to soak it in water and salt. So that's what you're going to do. Score all of your fish and soak it in water and salt. You can do that overnight or just for a few hours. Remove it from the water. Let it dry by wrapping it in paper towel. You know, you want to do that for a few hours till the fish is dry so that when you go to fry it, it fries nice and golden brown and crispy. And that's it. That's all. You want to fry it for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes per side until it's golden brown, and you can see that the slits have opened up and the meat is cooked in the center. Ooh, so good. And then the potato, I just got some red potatoes. I sliced them all in half, put some olive oil or just regular vegetable oil, salt, paprika, black pepper, sazon. Mix that all up, pop it in an air fryer on 400. You want to do it for 30 minutes. You want to make sure you flip them in between. I'll say 30 to 40 minutes for how crispy you want your potatoes. So good, you guys. All right, look who we have here. Lexi. It's cold. I'm going to put on my cardigan. So what do you think?
It's mad cold. It looks mad good. Like, I wish I had the energy to actually eat this, but I already ate, so
she ain't never got energy.
We're testing.
She's a Pisces. They tired. They like the bed. All right, here you go. Here's your fork. I already started using this fork. I just brought her down here to try it, you guys. Let me know if you would try the recipe down in the comments below. And if you have already tried it, if there's anything you do differently. And yeah, make sure you eat the pickled stuff like with the fish. I want to taste the potato too. That's good potato.
Yeah.
The pickly beans on the potato really good.
The vinegar, right?
Mom.
It's a breeze that I just feel.
The window's open because I'm frying fish. It's good.
What y'all think about this weather?
It's good. Right, my son said,
It's like someone just turned off the heat switch. And it's gone.
I read a meme that said someone just clocked out for a shift and bounced. And
If
it didn't clean up. It was
one day 80, the next day said, all right, I'm out. That's it. I'll see you next time this year.
The pickles is hot. The string beans is addictive.
The heat went in my mouth and down my nose from the pickle.
It's hot. I'm going to try this fish with the pickle. I probably can't even see it. I don't know why I be doing that. I'm going to try it with the string bean. It's hot.
I'm gonna try the string bean as well.
Good, right? That's good.
It is good. But I don't like string beans. That's what I remember that name.
But it's crunchy.
Yeah, no.
I like string beans. I'll take yours.
Hey, fish is really good.
Thank you, girl. Yeah, the fish is good, y'all. It has good flavor, good seasoning.
I didn't see that. Why that food act like I don't want to stay on the fork? Like, it be doing too much sometimes, right? It be jumping off.
With the pickled onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah? You want more potatoes?
I ain't getting no food, yo. That's just keeping me awake. You know when you're watching it on YouTube, they go to the commercial. Every time it says to skip thing, you woke me up to skip it.
Mama.
No respect. None.
Alright, y'all.
None.
She was keeping an eye on him while I did this meal. So now I gotta go retrieve him because she couldn't get her little daytime nap. But this was very good. The potatoes is seasoned well and it's nice and soft on the inside. Right?
I'm great.
And the fish is seasoned well.
Like, I want to eat this
Yum,
now.
yum, yum. Yeah, I'm gonna demolish this. Alright, y'all, we're out of here. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. Very quick video. No fuss. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So you'll be notified every time we upload a new video.
What she said.
Mom.
Peace.
Pop.
Okay, I'm gonna give you more.